In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your iPhone location with family or friends using the Find My app. This is a quick and convenient way to keep your loved ones informed about your whereabouts, offering peace of mind and ensuring you're always just a Find My tap away when needed. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. If you're unfamiliar with this app, it's an excellent tool built directly into Apple's ecosystem, designed to help you locate your Apple devices and, as we'll see today, share locations with family and friends. Once you have the app open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You should see several tabs at the bottom, and it's okay if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. This is normal. Next, you'll want to tap the People tab positioned at the bottom of the screen. This tab is specifically designed for managing your location sharing settings, with family and friends appearing here if you have previously shared your location with them, or vice versa. Tapping this tab is the key to getting started with sharing your location. Now that you're in the People tab, you'll need to tap on Share My Location. This option will initiate the process, enabling you to choose with whom and for how long you'd like to share your position. This can be incredibly useful for meeting up or ensuring someone knows you've arrived safely at your destination. The next step involves entering the name or phone number of the family member or friend you wish to share your location with. Start by typing their name if they're already in your contact list, or input their phone number if this is a new contact. Double check your entry to ensure there are no typos, as sending the information to the wrong person would lead to unnecessary confusion. After selecting a contact, you'll be asked to choose the duration for which you'd like to share your location. Options include sharing for 1 hour, which is ideal for short-term meetups, until the end of the day, which could suit events or day-long activities, or indefinitely, allowing ongoing sharing without the need for constant reactivation. Consider carefully which time frame best suits your needs and their context. Finally, tap Send. This solidifies your sharing preferences and sends your location details to the selected recipient, keeping them in the loop about your location for the period you specified. Right after you tap Send, your friend or family member will receive a notification that includes your current location along with the duration you've chosen to share it for. And there you have it. These simple steps ensure you can easily stay connected and keep your loved ones informed about your whereabouts. This feature not only enhances your safety, but also offers convenience and peace of mind for both you and those you share your location with. Don't forget, you can always stop sharing your location at any time by going back and adjusting the settings in the same People tab. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.